This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify Payments. First, understand that Shopify Payments is the most straightforward way to accept money in your store. It is fully integrated, meaning less hassle for you. This built-in system allows customers to pay using major credit cards and other popular methods, ensuring a smooth checkout experience. Setting it up correctly is crucial for your business to start processing sales efficiently and securely. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, locate and click on Settings, then choose Payments. Here, you will see the option to activate Shopify Payments. This is the essential first step to enable your store to process transactions directly. Follow the prompts carefully to ensure a seamless setup process for your business. Next, you will need to provide crucial business information. This includes your legal business name, physical address, and contact details. You must also enter your employer identification number or social security number if you are a sole proprietor. Finally, link your bank account where Shopify will deposit your earnings. Double-check all details for 100% accuracy to avoid any delays. Before submitting, take a moment to carefully review all the information you have provided. Ensure everything is correct, from your business details to your bank account number. Then, read and accept the Shopify Payments Terms of Service. Once your application is approved, which usually happens very quickly, your store will be ready to accept payments from customers worldwide, instantly boosting your sales potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.